Most common questions with where. Where did they go for lunch? Where is the best place for relax? Where should I look for my glasses? Where did you hide my book? Where do they usually go on weekends? Where did you get that amazing recipe? Where does this trail lead to? Where did you put the car keys? Where can I find a quiet place to study? Where did they go after the meeting? Where did you plan to go for vacation? Where is your favorite place to relax? Where is the best spot to watch the sunset? Where did you hear that news? Where can I buy fresh fruits and vegetables? Where do you go for morning walks? Where do you leave your umbrella? Where should I search for more information? Where can I find good internet connection? Where did you go for your last birthday? Where did you find such a beautiful painting? Thank you. मज़ीद इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, फॉलो, शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा।